Hello and welcome back. I am Rahul Jograna. In previous tutorial we have seen about MVC architecture and creating one sample application. In this tutorial I am going to show you a brief introduction of the controller, that how you can use or modify controller. So let's go and flip to the Visual Studio. Within a home controller we have one index action method which will return a view. A view is here, so you can see there we have one controller which name is home, and we have one action method. And when we run our application, it will go to the global asx.cs first and go to the route config file, which is here. Let's flip to that. From that you can see here I have one home controller. Default map route is home index and id is optional. So let's modify something, and I have brief knowledge about. I am returning it as a string and returning a string id. It will return from that map route control. I am add one thing, id equal to plus id and semicolon. Let's save it and again run it. Launch on Windows app. So our application is ready to run. So you can see here. Okay, perfect. Here nothing is shown because we have nothing passed here. So I am passing home index and 10. So here you can see we have returned 10 because it is a passed from the id as a parameter, which is controlled from here route config file. id optional parameter. You can also pass another parameter to the index method. So I am passing string email, and again I am add it with and displaying my email equal plus email. Let's save it and again run it. From that you can find home index and question mark because it is a query string. Email equal to, I am writing Rahul Jograna. Okay, so here you can see it will return id equal to 10, email equal to Rahul Jograna, which is come from here. So this is about action result which is written from that. So I am replacing it with the original form, action result. Okay, I am removing it and returning a view. Okay, it's also possible that you can add many others action result as per your need. Some of here I discussed from here. Action result method listed here. View result, which returns a helper method view. Action result, which also returning a helper method view. Partial view result, returning a partial view. JSON result will return a JSON. File result, return a file. Content result return a content. HTTP not found result returns HTTP not found, like 403, 404, 405, and return redirect result or redirect result, which will add or redirect to another action. And one another is a empty result, which will have return nothing and have a no method. So let's flip to the Visual Studio. I am showing something about that. So you can also possible that you can view right here view result and returning a view. And you can also add one thing here, string message and returning a message equal to here I am writing message from Rahul. Okay, let's save it, debugging it. It will redirect to our home and index method. Let's I am changing the position of it and home, and our message is a message, and hit enter. So you can see here it will return a message from Rahul, and you can modify it within your own configuration. Let's returning it with I am replacing with it is a action result, and return not a string but a content which have some string here. Hello from Rahul Jograna. Let's save it, again debugging it. Again it will redirect to a home index method. Let's I am changing it within a home. So you can also you can see here it will return a content file. You can return other string from here. Let's I am commenting it and add one thing here. Let's return http not found, save it, and again debugging it. Okay, sorry, it will not compile well. We have to build our application first. So it will loads, and when I am passing here home controller, within home controller message action result, so here you can see it will return http error 404 not found method or page. It also use as per your need. Also I am adding one thing here. Let's I am showing you returning a redirect to action. Okay, sorry, return redirect to action. Within action we have providing a two thing here. First is a action name, so here I am providing a action index, and within action I will provide one controller name. So let's debugging it and run it. So when I am running this one application, it will redirect to our home page within a home controller and index method. So let's run into first within an action result. So it is a home and action, and let's I am changing with message. So it will again redirect me to the home page. So it is about that. You can also pass in JSON result if you want to returning a JSON result. Let's I am change as it is result, and again you can use a empty class which return nothing, return new empty result, which will show nothing to us. So let's again debugging it. Build success. From that it will load home controller and index method default. Let's I am changing the home. Let's flip to the home and message. So you can see here it will return nothing because of empty result set. So this is about controller class. So thank you for watching this video.